Good morning, sir, and all dear my friends. Today my presentation topic is about how to avoid the depression. At first, I would like to know that you may have heard about the mental illness. So sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel bored. So do you feel sometimes it is happening? Yes, do you feel bored sometimes and sad, disappointed in our life?
Yes.
So this is the mental health. Sometimes it happens, depression is the mental illness. Sometimes it happens we feel loneliness, worthlessness, and sometimes we feel a sad and depression. So it happens if this type of symptoms, if this type of mental illness we have happens in the form of 2 weeks constantly. That means a person is suffering from the depression. In India, normally it happens that we don't focus on that type of illness. If we have a fever, if we have any cold, so we go to doctor and we consult the doctor. But if someone is suffering from this type of things, if someone is suffering from mental illness, so we don't focus, we don't think that what's the use of talking about this thing, what's the use of talking. Even sometimes people, they don't accept that they are suffering from mental illness. So here I would like to talk about that how can we avoid the depression. As first thing, now we all know that this time our lifestyle has totally changed. You see our lifestyle, we eat junk food and the physical activity, we don't do a physical activity. So at first, how can we avoid the depression? The first is thought process. What happens when we think something? Everything starts from here. At first, I would like to share my own experience. In COVID time, what happened? My mother, she got cold and fever, and it was just cold and fever. But because of the negativity, because of the news that time, she was so depressed and she was so felt that time that she had a coronavirus. And that time she said to us that don't close to come to me and don't touch me and don't come to me. And she was living in the separate room. At that time it was nothing but just a cold. But my mother, she started behaving bizarrely and she started doing unwanted things. And what happened when second day when I saw my mother, so that time she was very depressed, she was very sad, and I was not able to understand that exactly what I have to do. And after some days I thought that, then I deleted all the news channels, then I also deleted some of my relatives' number because they keep talking about the things that what is going around the world, what is going around in their neighborhood. So somehow when I managed, somehow I made my mother understand that just to go to doctor and just to consult the doctor. So when we went to the doctor, the doctor said it's nothing but just a minor cold and a fever. And then the doctor gave a paracetamol which I had been giving my mother. And as soon as my mother reached home, then that time she was very happy and she called my father, and it is nothing like coronavirus, it is just a minor fever. So it happened, and next day my mother took the paracetamol, and after that she was very well. So this is happening when we constantly think about the negative things, when we constantly watching the negative news, so it affects our mind a lot. If a person is surrounded with the negative people, if a person is surrounded with the negative circumstances, so definitely your thinking will affect on them. So try to always be with the positive environment, try to always be with the things. And the second is physical health. Study has proven after doing exercise, we feel more relaxed, we feel more energetic. We may have seen. So at first, I would like to ask you that do you do exercise?
Yes.
Seriously? Honestly, you do exercise. And sometimes it happens, you see that people, they are very lazy. They know that what is the benefit of yoga, they know what is the benefit of exercise, but still they don't do exercise. Sometimes it happens because of our lifestyle these days, we are so indulged in the all the things. When we get up early in the morning, we start using our mobile, we start using our social media. This is totally wrong because we don't pay attention on our physical health. When we go out, when we go with our friends, so sometimes it happens we start having the junk food without thinking that it affects your health. And all the things, whatever you are consuming, it also affects in your mental health. So always try to do exercise and always try to have a good diet. And the third is past experience. Sometimes it happens if a person, we all may come across lots of failures in life and lots of trouble in our life. And sometimes people, if they are failing their life, so they don't want to move on in their life. Means if someone has a breakup, and especially it happens when we are emotionally dependent on someone, so definitely if apart from that relationship we feel depressed, we feel sad, we think that now what's the living life. So for example, if I have this marker and if I hold this marker like this, what will happen? Nothing will happen. It is very easy to hold this marker, but if I keep holding this marker for 2 and 3 days, then what will happen? Yes, definitely it will happen. And after if I keep holding this marker for 1 week, so what will happen? Obviously my hand paralyzed. So this is the thing. If you keep holding the bad experience, if you keep holding your past pain and grudges, all the things, so definitely you cannot move on in your life. In order to improve your lifestyle, in order to live in lifestyle, you can learn from your mistake. But if you are stuck in the one place and if you don't want to move in your life, then definitely you will never end up anywhere. So please try to always be the flexible person in your life, because if you get stuck in the one thing, then definitely you will never move on. And the second thing is, if I talk about the thought, in a day, how many thoughts come in our mind? Have you ever realized?
Yes.
How many thoughts?
Thousands.
It is 60 to 70,000 thought per day comes in our mind. It is very shocking news when I was also thinking. Sometimes we don't realize that what we are thinking, and 80% thoughts are negative totally, because this has the tendency of our mind. When we get up early in the morning and when we are late in the class, we start making excuses that because of this I was not able to do this, because of this I am not able to do this. Because we have this tendency, we always think the negative things. So whenever it happens, when we keep overthinking about the situations, so we can do in one thing with the situation. Okay, for example, you can close your eyes for 1 minute. Please close your eyes and just take a long breath, like exhale and inhale, and do again exhale and inhale, and you can open your eyes. So you can also open. So it happens when you close your eyes and you focus on your breath. So sometimes at this time your thought process is very low and you feel very relaxed and you feel very energetic. And what happens sometimes, it happens that without any reason we feel depressed, without any reason we feel sad. So we have to think that exactly what is the going on in our mind. When you get up early in the morning, that time you can do exercise, and also throughout the day when you are feeling sometimes sad, so don't use your mobile, because sometimes it happens in order to get rid of our mental health, we started using other things like in social media. When we woke up at night 8 a.m. to 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. So what happens? We start using our mobile in order to, we don't think that exactly where is the problem. So try to focus on the problem. And the last is medical. Sometimes it happens when a person is suffering from the depression. So at that time, at first we don't accept that things. And the second is when he tells his friends and family member, they think that it is nothing, it's normal, what are you talking, okay, how can this happen in yourself. So we don't accept that things. If a person is suffering from that thing, so definitely he should go in the psychiatry and we should ask for the treatment. So this is the, how can we avoid the depression? This is the thing. If you don't help yourself, even God cannot help you. So always try to take action, always try to do better in your life, so that you can improve your life and you can get rid of this type of emotions and feeling. Thank you for listening to me. May I have any questions?
I am called positive thinking.
Yeah, it will start. Sometimes it happens. At first, you have to check yourself that exactly what are you consuming. Because of our three senses, we consume the things like what you are watching, what you are listening, and what you are reading. And if you start watching, reading, and listening good things, then automatically it will improve your positive thinking. And when you constantly reading the good books and watching good videos, so definitely you will improve your thinking and it will become positive.
What is depression? Few example of depression.
Yeah, actually sometimes you see the people, if a person started living alonely and if he is very sad and depressed in her life, and sometimes it happens, you see the people, they are if some person is very interested in something, but after some time he lost his interest in working on the things, so that